Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to service the taillights on this 2008 Chevy Equinox, same as any 2005 to 2009. We're going to show you both replacing the whole assembly if you have broken it, or just replacing the bulbs if that's all you need to do. Only tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver and either a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension.
Okay, with your tailgate open, there are two plugs here. Use this flat blade screwdriver, pry on the bottom. And remove those. Inside you can see there are two screws. You can either use a 10mm socket with a ratchet or a Phillips screwdriver. And then once you have those out, this part's a little unnerving, but just kind of work your fingers in and constantly pull. Just kind of support the bottom here. Okay, it pops out. Light comes out. There's a connector right here. There's a little tab on the bottom side. Push up on that tab. It's just a little stuck together here. Give it a good shake. And it comes apart. You don't have to disconnect it if all you're doing is changing bulbs. Makes it a little easier though. All the bulbs, twist the sockets counterclockwise, comes out. These larger bulbs you push in, twist counterclockwise, they come out. And put back in, just put it in the right position, turn it clockwise to lock. Smaller bulbs, again counterclockwise. Okay, generally they just pull right out of the socket. This one's a little stuck here. Interesting. Okay, so they pull right out, push back in. All they did was just keep shaking it back and forth to get it loose. Okay, there's one larger pin on here, just make sure you line it up correctly. Push it in clockwise to lock, same with these two. This right here needs to go back on the car. Just use a screwdriver, pry it off. Okay, reinstall it into the car. Okay, here's our, obviously our original light. It's fine. New light from 1AAuto. Obviously if your light's been broken or whatever, tail light's getting broken is pretty common. A new light from 1AAuto is going to go right in, fit in nicely. Okay, first let's put the harness on there. Okay, plug it in. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's on the bracket. Okay. And you want to put your light in. Okay, make sure that the harness goes in correctly. Just going to push it into place. Peek back in here. Make sure your wires aren't getting in the way. Kind of look the pins into place. Okay, make sure everything's set well. And lock it into place. And put our bolts on. These have little tabs at the top. They go to the top, clip in. Clip in, and you're all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.